of bacteria on the basis of shape. That is, if it is spherical, it is called as coccus type, and if it is rod shaped, it is called as bacillus. If it is coma shaped, it is called as vibrio, and if it is spiral shaped, it is called as spirillum. This coccus is again classified into different. That is, if it is seen in a single, it is called as monococcus. If it is in a paired condition, it is called as diplococcus. If there is chain of bacteria, it is called as streptococcus. And the bacterial cluster is present, but that is having the shape of a grape. It is called as staphylococcus. And the cluster cube shape, it is called as Sarcina. So, if it is single monococcus, paired condition, that is diplococcus, chain streptococcus, cluster grape-like staphylococcus, cluster cube-like Sarcina. Types of bacteria on the basis of the presence or absence of flagella. If flagella is present, it is called as trichus, and if flagella is absent, it is called as atrichus. Okay. And then this trichus type is again classified into different on the basis of the arrangement of flagella. If a single flagellum on one end, it is called as monotrichus. Single flagellum on one end, it is called as monotrichus. If single flagellum on opposite ends, it is called as amphitrichus. Then the group of flagella on one end, it is called as cephalotrichus. If group of flagella on opposite ends, it is called as lophotrichus. And then the last one, if flagella is arranged the entire all over the surface of the body, it is called as peritrichus. Types of viruses. Tadpole shaped virus, the example is bacteriophage. What is bacteriophage? They are the group of viruses that can attack a bacterial cell. And then the spherical viruses, the example is adenovirus. Adenovirus. This is a type of viruses that causes respiratory tract infections. Okay. And then this is called as adenovirus because this was initially isolated from a lymphoid tissue called adenoids. And this is located behind the nasal cavity. And from this adenoids, this adenovirus was initially isolated. That is why it is called as adenovirus. And the adenoviruses, they are causing what? Respiratory tract infections. And then the rod-shaped viruses, the example is tobacco mosaic virus, the first discovered virus.